Strongly bearish NBI stock is up 3.08% in the pre-market session of today, the 24th of March 2025. So the company and the stock has come into focus because of the looming CoreWeave IPO, probably due anytime soon. In this pre-market session, we have seen a volatile expansion. Yeah, we've seen a volatile expansion. It's now trying to contract. Well, we haven't seen the volume as such. We haven't seen the numbers going by what's going on level two here. So there's a good chance we are dealing with aggression. By that I mean maybe most of these orders that are going through are with market orders. So in any case, the stock, the underlying trend is a bearish one for the stock. Just like CoreWeave, the company buys up GPUs from Nvidia and then lets it out to its customers. So this is a 4 hour chart. We have upper projection of 28.3 and 29.34 and 29.93. So yes, this is on this 4 hour chart. We can say that the underlying trend is quite a bearish one, and strength is expected to remain in place up till Wednesday, the 26th of March. On its daily chart, we can see the underlying trend is a bearish one. We have a couple of projections, no downward projection in play at the moment. We have 50.93 upper projection, 61.12, and then all the way towards 67.41. Extrapolations to the downside on its 21 and 10-day moving averages. Okay, weakness is also expected on the momentum side as well. Let's see. We could even try and compute even higher upper projections going by what we have here. Okay, we could take something really modest. We could always take this. We could take this upper projection of 47.68. And then take this. Let's see which bottom we're going to take. We take 25. We subtract 25.56. We have 22.12. Multiply 22.12 by 1.618. 1.618 is a Fibonacci extension level. So you add that to the current price of 27.91. So we have 63.7. Yeah, okay, so this is still within the projections we have. 63.7, it just fits in just above here. So somewhere here, we just got an additional upper projection, 63.7. Yeah. So let's see what's going on the weekly chart. Yeah, on the weekly chart, we have no upper projections that are in play at the moment. But we could take this and see what we can project. 44.75 and 44.75 minus 28.25. Okay, we have 54, which is a number that is, still sort of even below the ones we have on the 4 hour chart. So yeah, 54.6 based on the data here on the weekly chart for NB NBIS. Let's look at the monthly chart. Okay, so this company has been in place in business since has been public since 2012. So the argument that even people in CoreWeave can make against NBIS is that the company has been around and it's not primed. It's not built on AI. It's not built on AI. So CoreWeave argues that it's strictly built on AI, strictly built to deliver AI, and indeed it can equally serve other compute dimensions like biotech simulations, video rendering, other compute directions, as I pointed out. Yeah. So, well, if you like, we could take this 83.31 and 19.27. Let's see. We have 64 multiplied by 1.618. We have 103. Okay, that's really ambitious. Add that to the current price of 27.91. Okay, 131.52. So this is obviously based on the monthly chart. So that will be a long-term upper projection, long-term upper projection. So yeah. So as the IPO for CoreWeave looms, NBIS has come into focus. Some are arguing and rooting for it and saying that it might be a better play. But some, and including the folks at CoreWeave, would argue that NBIS is just like AWS. It's been around for some time, and it's not built for AI. It's just configure things to serve AI. So whereas it's built strictly on AI. But they will argue that they have. It doesn't matter whether you really if it doesn't matter whether you think they are old enough or not. They have they can equally build. As they have here on the news, they are building more data centers. Yeah, I see that. To expand its US footprint with a new 300 megawatt data center in New Jersey. So okay, and that's also where CoreWeave is. CoreWeave is in New Jersey as well. So New Jersey has already covered the ground as it concerns data centers. Given these two big companies. Yeah, so they could say, yeah, we are building out new data centers, and we are, you know, just as CoreWeave, we have the same GPUs as well, the same GPUs to Grace Blackwell and the Grace Dynamo and all the upgraded Grace GPUs. We have them just like they do. So that argument is neither here nor there. And moreover, they would say we're already in the business. We're already serving other dimensions of cloud computing. So they are just coming out and they are serving the AI space, and they have their principal customer is Microsoft. That accounts to close to 70% of their revenue. So see what you make of NBIS, and thank you very much for watching this video.